Hey, crafty friends, it's Diann with Bean Street Paper. It's been a while, but it's time for another 10-minute Tuesday. Sorry about last week, y'all. I got the dreaded crud, and as you can hear in my voice, I'm pretty much feeling better. I just have a little bit of a lingering cough, so hopefully I don't cough during this video. But today, we are going to make a fun fold card that folds flat in an envelope, but when you take it out of the envelope, you can stand it up and display it. I don't really know what this is called, but let's just call it a fun fold card, and let's get started. You are going to need a cardstock base. Again, I will put all of the dimensions down below. This is cut at 5.5 by 9 1/4, and you're going to score it at 1.5 inches, 2 3/4 inches, 6.5 inches, and 7 3/4 inches. And because I am not prepared and don't see my bone folder, oh, here it is. I found it. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take and fold at the second score on each side. We're going to fold back. Okay. And then we're going to take and fold the reverse way. Okay, on both sides. And that is going to give us our card that stands up, just like that. And then comes the fun part, the decoration. I went through my stash. This is what the back looks like. I decorated the back also. You don't have to. You could just decorate the front, and you could put white here to write on if you wanted to. Anyway, I went through my stash and I found this super old sticker. It's a simple story pack, but it had these cute llamas and this cute paper, and I didn't have a whole lot of it, mostly strips, so I thought, well, what the heck, you know? I'm going to use those. So let's do our stamping first. Again, you can use any stamp sets you like. I used several. This is going to be my back portion. So what I did was I took this little dotty just for some interest, and I think I stamped off and just kind of stamped in the corner. Nope, I guess I didn't stamp off. This one's kind of light. And just stamped in both corners. I don't normally use these little teardrops, but I designed this card when I was at work, and I used what I had. So then I'm going to I cut this out with a die, and I'm going to stamp on, this is going to be on my front panel, but my other llama faces this way, so I'm going to put them on this side. So I'm going to do the exact opposite of what I have here. I know, confusing, right? I hope you guys are staying warm. We've had snow in North Carolina the last 3 weekends in a row, and I am so over it. I want to get out there and ride my motorcycle. I don't see that happening anytime soon, but you never know. Okay, then I'm going to take, on the front, my sentiment says, "Collecting sweet thoughts of you." So I am going to just straight up stamp that on my front panel. Try to get it straight this time. I'm going to put it, I'm still going to put it right here, I think. There we go. And then my back, I put, "You make my heart happy." So I'm going to also stamp that right in the middle. And then it's mostly assembly. Just going to kind of stamp that in the middle. All right, now I can put away my mat here and we'll assemble and bring back my... Okay, this is a piece of 3.5 by 5.25 cardstock that I ran through an embossing folder. I like it better this way, I think. I'm going to use wet glue for this embossed part because you know you want it to be real grippy. My glue appears to be quite sluggish. It's a bit nippy out here still today. So I'm going to center that on my middle piece there. Okay. Then I'm going to take my back piece and put it on the back. So, you guys, it's almost February 1st. Tell me in the comments below here on YouTube what do you have in store for your this Valentine's Day? Are you guys going to go out to dinner? Are you going to stay home and cook? What do you have planned? Okay, I'm going to peel off my little llama. And I am actually, I think I'm going to stick them to my piece first because that's where I want them. And then I'm going to take these pieces that stick off and I'm just going to stick them to my shirt so they're not sticky. Okay. And then I used some dimensionals to pop this guy up. Oh, so anyway, you're telling me what you're doing on Valentine's Day with your Valentine. Because I have some super cute paper stacks to give away. Unfortunately, I don't have any more of these llama stickers, so I couldn't do a card kit. Sorry. So, I'll give away some cute little paper stacks. There might be more than one winner. Alright guys, we're almost done. Okay, so I'm going to take my llama and I'm just going to center him right here in the middle. Top to bottom and side to side. Okay, and then, oh, gosh, I almost forgot the most important part. Our strips that go down the sides, right? You need 4 of these. They measure, well, you need 4 if you're going to do back and front. And they're 5.25 by 1.25. And I'm just going to put them right here. On both sides here. I liked this fun fold because it fits in a regular envelope. So I thought that was super cool. And then again, I chose to do the back. So I used 4 strips. And then I just... Okay, there you have it. I also, on my first one, put some, good Lord, help me think of the word, rhinestones, a little bit of bling, never hurt a thing, right? So, really, same kind of thing. I'm going to put one here, in one here. Just for a little interest. Oh, I need my picky thing. My fingers are not hip with the task. Okay, so super cute little fun fold card. You can make it for any occasion. There you have it. Now, I know you guys are wondering who won the card kit from the last 10 Minute Tuesday, and to answer your question, the winner is Linda Zaworski. So Linda, if you message me either in the group or here through YouTube or email me, all my info's down below, I can get you your card kit for last week's 10 Minute Tuesday. Don't forget to leave your comment down below, like and subscribe to the video if you want to see more 10 Minute Tuesdays. And hey, join my group. We've had a ton of new people join, and I'm loving all your creations. So I would love you to join and see what you have to share with us. So go forth and be crafty, my friends. Have a great day. Bye for now.